Another day, another vlog, man. Y'all see what's going on in my trunk. K&N, cold air intake. We about to go ahead and get this installed. I know how easy it is. I've watched videos on how easy it is to install these, and I could probably do it, but I'm not. My nigga Art got the tent. He should have a tent up, I don't know, but hopefully he got the tent up, and if he got the tent, we can, you know, work up under that bitch, or he can work up under that bitch, whatever. But yeah, man, another thing too, man, I just want to get off my chest real quick, man. And I be hating to even address this shit, man, but niggas be hating, man. Niggas be hating, man. It's crazy, dog. Like, it's crazy how somebody can hate and motherfucking, you know, they won't admit that they hating, but motherfuckers just be hating, man. And it's crazy because, like, man, you know, we could do, you know what I'm saying? You could do what I'm doing. And I'm not even doing, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I ain't doing too much. I ain't, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Homie and the Hellcat, shout out to Tall Guy, shout out to Organic. But I mean, I'm just a regular nigga working a 9 to 5, you know what I'm saying? I don't make that much fucking money. I make enough money to take care of my, you know, my family and survive, but I ain't fucking balling. So I feel like for a nigga to see me doing good and find something negative to say when I'm doing good, I'm doing all the right things. For a nigga to have something negative to say and you ain't got nothing going on for yourself at all, bro, you ain't doing nothing. Man, it's crazy, man. Niggas will hate you, bro. But you know what? That hate shit, that shit really, like they say, it's confused admiration. You know what I mean? That hating shit is confused admiration. Really, you don't like, I'm calling you a hater, I'm saying that you hating, but really, you confused because you like what I got, or you like what I'm doing. So, it's confused admiration, man. You know, I understand you like my shit, and you know, you like the way I'm moving or whatever, but niggas be hating, man, and this shit crazy, cause I'm always the one to be like, man, fuck what a motherfucker say, you know what I mean? I'm always the main one to be preaching that shit, like, fuck what a nigga say, and, you know, all that stuff, man, but I be trying not to even think, or, I mean, I think like that, but I try not to, like, talk like that, you feel me, cause my daughters watch my YouTube and stuff now, and, you know, but yeah, man, I don't know, I had to vent, I had to let that out, man. Niggas be hating, man, and, you know, niggas be hating, man. And I don't get why you niggas hating, man. You niggas need to, you know, get up off the couch or something, man. Do something with yourself, man, because since I was like 14, 15, I was trying to get a job when I was 15, bro, and I couldn't. I had to wait till I was 16. Since I was 16, bro, I don't know, something just like snap of a finger, something hit it, something, the switch flipped, and bro, I've always been about some money, bro. You know, and it ain't hard to always be about your money, man. I'm about business, dog. If it ain't concerning some money or, you know, something that's gonna propel me, I really don't want nothing to do with it, man. Straight up. I'm about some money, man. If I fuck with you, I fuck with you. If I don't fuck with you, I don't fuck with you, right? You know, we gotta get a before and after.
We're gonna have to get that out too.
Yeah, I'm about to grab it right now. Get that shit up out of there. Shh. Yeah, I ain't doing all that.
Register your K&N.
Let me register my high airflow filter. Yeah, man, brand new. That little,
yeah, this you just put up under here.
Yeah, I ain't never seen this shit. This shit look like a, yeah, it looked like something that you would put in the, that's cool. 77 series is the, must be the model. Oh yeah, cause I see it right here on the.
Yep. 77 series. That's why you take and put this somewhere, you know, anywhere, just so you know which one you have, and you'll never forget the model number. And put it up here. You know what I mean? Because that's your.
Yeah.
You know,
You got got all the info and shit.
Yep.
I got you. Sweet.
Yeah. Let's see this thing. Let's say that won't reach no more.
Open up.
Hey, at least they give you all.
Well, he bought the right ones. That's why.
Yeah, I mean, for what I paid for this shit, man. Hey, if I had to go and buy something else, I was gonna be kind of pissed. This shit wasn't
Cheap.
Nah, good 300 bucks. We'll just say 300 bucks. 300 and some change. I ain't gonna lie, but it is what it is. I do this shit with the, you know, Art know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Man, I've been knowing Art for
been for that play.
probably about 5-6 years. Maybe about 6-7 years, and I ain't never seen Art pull out some instructions and start reading them.
Oh, I needed to find out what the fuck that plate was for, and guess what? You don't have it on your hood because you don't have a hood vent.
Oh, so they was smart. Now they included the. Oh yeah.
They include everything with it.
That's fucking dope. So, but that plate though, I can keep in case I ever get
That
hood, because I want to get. I ain't gonna lie, I want to get the SRT hood.
Once you get that hood, the SRT hood's different.
What you mean, like a different mount?
SRT, yeah, SRT's different. It's gonna have the thing where it
Oh,
comes all the way right
yeah,
to here.
Yeah.
The vents are gonna flow right to here.
Yeah,
That's what is. It blocks that off, so
Right.
no water gets into it.
Right.
So your hood vents don't work. That's
Yeah.
what that does.
Right.
You take out the mesh piece and you put in that, and it blocks the vent.
It blocks the vent. It blocks the water from getting
the
in.
water and all the air from getting to it.
Yeah. So
I mean,
is
either
that
way,
good or bad though?
Right now, you're doing the same thing. If you put that hood on here, you're blocking off the fucking airflow,
Right.
the water. Right now, you're doing the same thing. You're just keeping your shit more fucking protected.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna hold off on that hood
I mean,
then.
the hood you can get just for added, you know, fancy looks. But I mean,
Right.
like,
I want the SRT hood, but I mean, it ain't like, you know.
Yeah, you don't-
nothing for functionality.
Yeah, it's nothing
Exactly.
for functionality. It's just all for looks. To try and make her look pretty. Try and make her look pretty, that's all.
I hear you. One big window.
Yeah, that's a fat fucking air filter, dog.
well, that's because it's got to go around that motherfucker.
Yeah, that bitch is massive, dog.
Can you say massif?
Yeah, bitch is huge. Something.
Yeah, no, you can hear it. It's stuck in there now.
Yeah, I heard that shit. I could hear it. Hell yeah, man. Cold air intake completed. Can't wait to take this bitch around the block.
A few moments later.
Oh shit, y'all. I'm about to listen. Watch out, man. That's all I'm finna say. Watch out for Becky, man. It's Becky. Y'all know I'm calling her Becky. That's her name, Becky. This motherfucker got some torque, man. God damn. Yo, I'm at a dead stop. Y'all see the stop sign? I tried to hit this bitch and this motherfucker like the tires got the spinning, bro. Hold on, we need that bitch. I don't know what the fuck. We about to hit it right. Damn. Yeah, this is dangerous, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. This bitch throwing me. Hey, I'm getting thrown around in my seat, yo. Like, I need to put a seatbelt on. I'm gonna crash this bitch, man. I'm gonna crash the Durango. What? No, I'm just playing. I ain't gonna crash it. Y'all gotta hear this bitch with the windows down. I'm about to stop at this stop sign coming up. I'm gonna hit that bitch one time with the windows down. I gotta take my ass home, man, for somebody to get hurt. Stop. Headed back to the crib now, man. We got the cold air intake done. It's a rainy ass day, man. I wish it was fucking I wish it was sunny, man. It's rainy and shit. Y'all hear that motherfucker? That motherfucker purring, man. Sound good, man. It sound real good. I ain't gonna lie. It's been about 3-4 days that I've had this K&N cold air intake installed, and I ain't gonna lie, I like it. I mean, shit, you know, I can't complain. I'm boss hogging the lanes, man. You know, like, man, I'm gonna give y'all a little cold start up. Actually, this ain't even a cold start, but it's a start up. That sounds good, man. And we gonna, if you thinking about doing a K and then cold air intake, do it. Don't hesitate. Do it, man. Do it. Cause, man, it's worth it. You know, show y'all how it go. Show y'all the good car wash magic. Y'all see this side, right? Right? Y'all see this side, right? Watch this car wash magic. Dirty? Good. Boom. Y'all see how the car wash magic work? Y'all like that? I like that. I know y'all like that too. You ain't gotta say nothing. Y'all like that. Man, look at that. She's like, why the music stop? Press the button, mama. I don't know how to, I got a Dodge. I ain't got no Mercedes. I don't know how to work this one, but I got a Durango. I don't know how to. License and registration, please, ma'am. I need your proof of insurance.
You just got caught.
Where you headed? She started smiling. Where you headed this afternoon? You got anything in the car I need to know about? All right, ma'am. I'm gonna need you to step out the vehicle.